Hello everyone, I am Annie Thakran from DAV News. So today we are conducting a survey on the impact of COVID-19 on education. Hello ma'am, are you satisfied with online education?
Yeah, as a parent, we all know that education is suffering very much, but it is not stopped. It is going on by online platform. It is also have some advantage, like it says an individual time of travel. It is less exhausting for a child, but deep down. But we all know that offline classes are more beneficial rather than online classes. Thank you.
Hi dear, are you a student?
Yes,
How are you affected by the time of corona?
as being as a student, I was initially happy that lockdown was blessing on our lives. We were at home playing games, watching movies, spending a quality time. Um, Slowly, online classes started. Initially, it was going better. After a month, I realized that coronavirus is not a blessing for us. Now I take online classes 4 to 5 hours. It is getting very difficult to stay on such a screen for such a long time. Really, online classes play a vital role in our heart. Let's pray to God everything goes as before.
Thank you ma'am. As we have seen that students also want to open the educational institutes. Now let's go on to other people. Hello sir,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell us how education is affected by the time of corona?
Yes, dear. I want to explain you. Their schools are closed, and it will be remain closed. Students' education life is in danger. Students are taking their classes various way, like online classes, Zoom classes, WhatsApp, PDF, and radio programs. But I want to tell you that students are taking their classes honestly, seriously, and continuously. But other side, I want to tell you that lots of students are not taking their classes because of they have not gadget like laptop, mobiles, and tablets. This is not good for those and their parents because of their life is in danger. Therefore, I want to again tell you that students who are attending their e-classes have a good impact, and those students who are not attending their e-classes have a bad impact on their education.
Thank you sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello sir, what's your views on opening of the schools?
Yeah, ma'am. As vaccine 19, COVID 19 vaccine being launched and cases are decreasing countrywide, schools have started calling students back to school in a great manner with special provisions and restrictions. While the students of class 9 to 12th have already resumed to physical classes, those in junior classes are still continuing online classes. And ma'am, पक्षियों को जिस तरह उड़ने के लिए खुले आसमान की ज़रूरत होती है, उस तरह बच्चों के लिए खुला आसमान स्कूल ही होता है, और बिना स्कूल के बच्चों के भविष्य की उड़ान संभव नहीं है. सो नाउ मैम, स्कूल शुड बी रीओपन. थैंक यू.
Thank you sir. So we have taken a survey from every individual. We know that COVID-19 is such a hazardous virus. We are slowly overcoming from it. We wish that everything should be as before. Thank you.